guys, welcome back to DM Guard. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to install universal roof racks, cross beams, crossbars on a 2016 Mitsubishi. But these universals are the ones that go on top with no bar that goes on the original ports, which are here. Let me show you. You see, the original bar would mount into the existing holes from there to there, and then another one that goes on top like that. But you know, OEM stuff is really pricey, and I'm doing it for this customer who just wanted this universal top mounted. So I got this sitting right there for now, but I'm gonna show you the whole process. It's a little tricky, but I'm sure you can do it and save some money. DIY. So came in this box. I think it was like 60 bucks. So they give you instructions, but they're somewhat confusing. You gotta kind of know what you're doing. Comes with keys, this stuff, and we're gonna be mounting this basket on it too. I'm gonna do a separate video if you don't want that. You just want these for like a bike or a kayak or anything. This is part of the basket. So here's what's included. This came with keys for you to easily access it. This is the adjusting thing, and this is what grabs on your car. This is what it's gonna be grabbing it on. This goes inside your doors, and it comes with different options, whatever works best for your car. But I think this one is safer, and I'm gonna show you why. So this one is gonna grab on here, you see that? But then it has nothing when the door comes and closes. I mean, this could still, I think, somewhat be free, just pop out, you know. And this one, on the other hand, has this bottom lip. That door, the rubber seal, I think somewhat holds it in place. Let me show you. So, see what I mean? I think this is a little safer or more secure, because this one still can be pulled out, and this one could, just like that. See what I mean? So this one came with both options. So let me show you how I put this together. Okay, this one came out. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the whole. This is how it comes. Well, I'm gonna take out the key, and this is how it's gonna look. But the way it works is they give you this all separated. So you put this in here, and like that. And then you're gonna slide this over it, and this just slides in there like a ratchet. See that? And then it could adjust to whatever length you needed it to. If you need it less, see, now it's pretty secure because he has like teeth that grab onto the grooves here. See that? So this slides in, and the teeth inside grab onto these grooves, and this is just to cover the metal. Now if you needed to adjust it, slide this over, has the key, push, turn. I think I will put it another way. There you go. Now inside there's this lever that you turn to release. See? So if you like need it right there, well, fold it down again, take out the key, me close. I just want to show you how you can adjust it. Okay. It's a little tricky here. Okay, there you go. So again, just slide it slowly. So that's how you would see. You can push it into whatever you need it. Then lock it. There. Now it's locked with this in place. So I'm gonna show you. And at the bottom of it comes this base that goes in here like that, with one of these metal plates and a nut. Okay, so just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna come back to this one just so you see how to adjust the, because these have free play, you know. You can adjust them to the how curvy the top of your vehicle is. See, so it could be completely flat, or it could be a little turned, or too round like a Volkswagen. Or so the way I did it, I mounted them hand tight and set them on top, and I marked all around. You can see I put in a Sharpie line right there, right there, right there, just so I know where I'm gonna tighten it good with the ratchet now. So let me do that. No, you're covering this. I need them to see this line. This line. Okay? Okay. So you see, this is what I mean. This could be free to whatever you needed it to be at. So by marking it, you know you're gonna be really close by marking it. And just keeping this, you know, centered. Drill. And then it's not gonna move anymore once it's tight. Then it has this rubber seal at the bottom with holes for the water to drain out of. This is just for it not to scratch your car, you know, not the hard plastic. Now this is rubber. See, now it's not turning. Turn it, do the same thing. As you can see, again, there's the metal plate, the nut, and you wouldn't know where to tighten this. But now we got the mark again. Can you see the mark? Mm-hmm. Okay, and I marked the sides as well. So you don't want to go too tight, because remember, it's plastic. But you don't want to leave it loose to where it's gonna just be loose or loose by itself. Put the cover on. Let's test it. Put it back on top. See if it's flat. One thing I did mark was which side was the right or left. So it's now on top. Let me turn it just to see how it would look from the other side. So I don't think it matters. I think it's the same on both. And then if you wanted to like be double sure, you put a level on top just to make it like nice flat level. I mean, this is what I mean. If you like wanted it super perfect, you could either move this to either side, you know. But I don't think it matters. Not like you're gonna carry anything or anything important. I mean, you will carry stuff, but not like it has to be level. So now I'm gonna prep the other stuff that I need, which is the boot. Well, first I mount these in here. These holes, I thought they were just like looks, but it's for this. Slide in there. The boot, it's just gonna cover it like seal, which at the end slide on like that, and yeah, it goes like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the other one same way. Slide the seal or boot or plastic cover, whatever you want to call it. And let's go mount one on each side. See how they look. Now you see, I just saw that one's in there now. You see that? That's how. Let's try the other one. Let's see how it would look closed. So the other one has to be the tighter to hold the stuff in place. And you want to kind of keep him like at the same distance from the top. So I'm going to use this arrow as a mark with that. Go. We're going to insert the other one same way. Same way. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the keys and open it. See? All you gotta do is tighten it now. Once you get the key in there, open it, and this is like a ratcheting system, like a strap. So you don't want to go too tight. Well, you got to do both sides because we're just bringing the bar this way. Come this side. They're still about centered. Let's see how this goes. Top. Okay. Okay, I think that one's good. And now I'm gonna just close it. Or let's check the other side first. Okay, I think it's now pretty strong. last step, locking this in place. Or yeah, you see how this would be loose and self-ratchet itself loose. So now we're gonna lock them up. Take off all this plastic films. And it's locked. Close the access to the key, and just want to check that it didn't open easily. I think I had closed it all the way. I'm gonna push down and hold while I lock. So we closed both sides, and they don't even move. This is how it looks. And like I said, it's only $60. So after installing the second ones the same exact way, we have completed the process. And this is how they should all look. Here's the key. Same here. And thank you. I'm gonna do another video of the basket mounted on top, or the mounting with same bracket. So if you want to watch it, I'm gonna leave the description on the video of this one, on the description.